Hi there, today I'm unboxing the Sony WH1000-XM5 headset, and I'm really looking forward to this because the XM4, others in the Sony line, really have set a high bar and a very high standard for very comfortable, long-lasting, quality headsets with very impressive noise cancelling and features like that. So the WH1000-XM5 is the latest iteration of Sony's headsets in this line. The one I have, you can see, is a sample product only, but I expect that it should not be any different from the actual retail product. So we have this nice little tab to open, and that comes off. 1000X series on the box, and then the box slides open nicely. Okay, so there's the top, and we have the inside of the box, which effectively the bottom tray comes off. We have this intriguing case and a little pamphlet attached, which gives us 3 steps. So install software, I guess, or set your device pairing, then pair on the headset, and then play. I think it's a fairly standard setup. So here we go. Now there's a little zip. We'll see this together at the same time. One interesting thing about the XM5 is that apparently it doesn't fold, which some people may or may not like. It comes in black or silver, and these are the silver ones. So there we go. So as you can see, the box is a little bit bigger. It has the space for the headphones in there. There's a little flap that opens up where we have a cable. So what do we have? We have a 3.5mm jack, as you might expect, and we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. So you can use it wired, but also it is a Bluetooth capable device with 30 hours of battery life. Okay, so the headset has quite a bit of swivel, and it extends, and a bit of bend, but yeah, these don't collapse in on themselves, which some may like and some may not like, I guess. But we'll see how it goes in a real world test. So on the device, we have a USB-C plug on one cup, and on the other we have the 3.5mm jack, but we also have buttons. So here we have a Bluetooth pairing button and a power button, and also the noise cancelling and ambient noise button. So really that's it. There are our controls. It does also support Alexa, Google Assistant. Anyway, we will see how this performs. Thank you very much. Whoa.